Hello guys, this is what you get. Since morning everybody has been inside because of cold and snowstorm. Today, look, my car is stuck on the road. This is along the road. You can't see it very well because my phone is not, as you can see the road. No movement, no cars at all. Everywhere is stuck. My car is on the road because I can't drive into my street. You know what I mean? This is what someone faces outside the country. And people back there will feel it's easy. And the day you stop to the sock brace, but that day you know say you're on your own. Then you know say life himself it's not easy. Let me show you the road. I think here is better. You guys can see. This is ice road. No going, no coming. See? No going, no coming. Let me pass this. Let me just take this place. No going, no coming. You guys can see. My car don't fit enter street for the very first time. She will not say it's serious. All we drive for that matter. Stuck today for road. So if not God. So if anybody is telling you that it's easy, that person is a bloody liar. Look, you guys can see. I'm going to check the car to see if it's alright. Then I'll go back home. You guys can see now. No movement too. Let me show you. No movement. You guys can see. So that is my car there. You guys can see my car. I have to find a way to park it there because everywhere was, you can see this one has snow. You can see the road. You see, it's still coming down. That shows tonight will be very tough. Only trucks can move. Only trucks. Along the street is fucked up. You cannot move. You can't move. I'm going to pay for at least for them to allow me to stay here today. You see what happened now? Hi brother. You still around?
Another guy stuck into the snowstorm.
Jesus Christ. Guys, I can't move my car. My car is still there. You can see it at the back. My car is still there, so I can't move my car. I have to walk home. You guys can see the street. The street there's no car, just few cars like trucks and that. Okay, only a few cars can move. Only few cars can move. That's if you have a good car. If you have a good car. Mine is a all-wheel drive, but still yet it cannot move. Jesus, God help us. God help us, man. I have to. No movement. So the car is going to sleep there till tomorrow. You can see my street is still full. This is snow. See, you can see how deep it is. Oh man. Okay. The snow is still coming down. Oh. Best give us something one of the appreciate. Hey, Canada. Hey, Yankee. Before you jackpot, better for mine, see na ice block you walk still. It's good though, but use brain. You don't understand? Don't let anybody deceive you. No, we are easy. They say that who use sense, that is still alive. Who not use sense, last they'll say, oh, yeah. You don't finish. Now, they'll tell you. Don't chop rice or drink beer. Don't claim what. Everybody go move on. Don't let anybody deceive you. You know, easy. With brain. Say, yeah, I be one. Not let. They tell you, say, I be one. I be one of the good for statements. I be one at 50-50. I be one of good. I be one. So I will tell you that time. I be one tell you what. Tell you, yeah, I be one. You know good. I be one come with so many explanations. Anybody tell you I be one, you come with so many explanations. Beware of I be one. Be one is not good. God is too much. Oh my God. Everybody's. Oh my God. Oh boy. I've started working on some places now to take off the snow. But believe me, they cannot do everything. The entrance of my house is stuck. You guys can see. Look. See that car now? They can't move this car until they use a booster to boost the battery. Look. This is the road to my house. It's stuck. Can you guys see? Can you guys see? Stuck. This is what you face when the snow is down already. When you have a warning. God is great. Can you guys see? Okay. I want to show you guys where I want to enter now. Okay, let's go. Okay, let me see. This is the only stop. This is the only part I can take. You guys can see. Watch my leg. Watch my leg. Watch my leg. See how deep it is. See how deep it is. Get to the entrance, you must stop here. Inside. Can you see that? Oh boy. You can see my door stuck. See, so I have to look for Miss. Let me track the parking lot of my house. FSR. Holy Moses. Can you guys see? Can you guys see?